Cold morning this morning, folks. As you can see, it is frozen over. What we're going to do is we're now going to have a look at an old 06 TD6 L322. So it's been in a shed for a few years. Let's see can we get it up and running on this frosty morning. Okay, you ready? 12 power. It's going through it now, is it? Try it.
Okay. Right.
At this moment in time, I think it's worth pointing out that this Range Rover has been in this shed for about 5 years untouched, and it's been off the road for about 10. It was made in 2006, I think it was November 2006, and it basically was used for about 6 years and then parked up. Now, I've been going through the old archives trying to find pictures of us out and about, and I found a few. This is kind of its life. So this was actually us going to a music festival, and we ran out of fuel, so we're on the side of the road. There is us heading off to a dinner dance, arriving all dressed up. Bit of light, gentle off-roading. And then we get stuck here in the field. This video actually pulled off YouTube from years ago, and we get it out. This is 2008. I think.
Oh!
Ah, that'd be normal.
Yeah, it would be. Turn off the lights there. It'll go. What?
Yeah, it will go. Just needs a couple of.
Well, I put it straight onto the battery. That battery's so full.
Yeah, I do.
That's not going.
It's just the pistons.
What?
It's just the pistons.
It's away.
Let it charge a minute. Come here, Keith. That's good going.
Just the pistons just needed a bit of a shot.
We've spent diesel at all.
Okay, let her okay. Okay, pump up the tires on her there now.
Where's the pump?
Leave it. Fuck. Where's the test?
Here, plug that in there. How much miles? 112. It shouldn't keep. What you should do is come over with us one day and we'll go on. I'd say it was up and down, feel it. But I say it was up and down a long time ago. Go on. You have to drive up there.
I think it was just.
No, no. You didn't clear that, did you? No.
No, okay, go back. Okay. It's good to go there that way.
Might help you.
turn it off with that block?
She sounds sweet, doesn't she?